Hey everybody, Melonhead here, and today we're going to be playing Nocturnal Protocol. And I'm also playing on my keyboard. What's that custard, man?